How does condensation happen? Imagine a warm day when you see water droplets forming on the outside of a cold glass. That simple sight actually shows a fascinating process happening right before your eyes. Condensation is the change of water vapor, which is water in its gaseous form, back into liquid water. This process is a key part of the water cycle and helps move water around our environment. Water vapor in the air moves freely as tiny gas molecules. When these molecules encounter a surface that is cooler than the surrounding air or cooler air itself, they transfer some of their heat to that cooler area. As they lose heat, the molecules slow down. Slower molecules stick closer together because the attractive forces between them grow stronger. When enough molecules gather, they form tiny droplets of liquid water. This is what we see as dew, fog, or water droplets on a cold glass. Condensation happens more quickly when the temperature drops. Cooler air can't hold as much water vapor, so the vapor turns into liquid more easily. If the air is very humid, meaning it has a lot of water vapor, condensation is more likely to happen because there is more vapor to turn into water. Surfaces that are cooler than the air, like a mirror or a window, give vapor a place to gather and condense. In the sky, when moist air rises and cools, the water vapor condenses into tiny water droplets that form clouds. These clouds are made up of countless droplets suspended in the air. When the droplets grow large enough, they fall as rain. Dew forms overnight when the temperature drops and the air near the ground cools, causing water vapor to condense on grass and other surfaces. Condensation is also what makes fog appear on a cool morning or the water droplets inside a bathroom mirror after a hot shower. It is a natural process that helps transfer water from the gaseous state back into liquid, completing part of the water cycle. This cycle keeps water moving through different forms and locations on Earth. So, condensation happens when water vapor cools down, causing the molecules to slow and stick together into tiny liquid droplets. It is a simple yet vital process that shapes weather, forms clouds, and even creates the moisture we see every day. Understanding this process helps us see how water moves and changes in our environment.